A very good morning to you all children. As you know that we have already studied the chapter adjectives. So I'll just have a brief summary of this chapter. मैं आपको एक बार फिर बता देती हूँ कि in this chapter we are learning about the kinds of adjectives. So first is adjective of quality in which we understands about the quality कि उसकी क्या चीज़ है, खासियत क्या है. जो words उस उनकी खासियत है क्वालिटी को स्पेशली डिस्क्राइब करते हैं उनको बोलते हैं adjectives of quality. Next comes adjective of quantity in which हमें quantity पता चलती है, not the exact numbers but lot, some, more, little. This is adjective of quantity. Next is adjective of number जिसमें हमें exactly numbers पता चलता है 16, 12, first, second because exactly हमें number का पता चल रहा है. Then comes demonstrative adjective in which this, that जो demonstrate करता है इसका, उसका, किसका, mine. So this is called demonstrative adjective. Now comes interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective जो कि हमें पता है कि इंटरोगेशन मीन्स क्वेश्चनिंग समवन. सो इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स में क्या एग्जांपल होंगे, व्हाट, व्हाई, जिसमें क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. सो दीज आर इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स इज माई, हिज, देयर, इसका. सो दीज आर पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. So there is a similarity between possessive and demonstrative. इसमें थोड़ा सा है कि this, that, those जो होता है which it points out to be the exact person, place or thing, that is demonstrative. But his, mine, इसका, मेरा, these are called possessive adjectives. So now we'll just move on to the exercises which we left. हमने exercises करनी थी. So on the basis of this we'll just do the exercises. हमें बताना है. So underline the adjectives and tell their kinds. So यहाँ पर there are few sentences in which we have to underline the adjectives. So first is she prepared delicious soup for him. So here delicious is an adjective and we'll be underlining it, and the kind is quality because it is a quality कि the soup is delicious. That is a quality. We help our friends. So our is adjective and our is possessive. Our, mine, yours is possessive. Now next is which pen is yours. So which pen is yours is which. So it will be what? It will be interrogative. Which is interrogative. Now next is which is your pen. Which is your pen is here your. Your is possessive. Next is her skin is wrinkled. Wrinkled is what? Wrinkled underline करेंगे. Wrinkle is quality. Okay. Next is she got a pretty dress on her 10th birthday. So on her 10th birthday. So here 10th is pretty is also adjective of quality, and 10th birthday. So 10th is what? 10th is number, adjective of number. Now we are delighted to meet our friends. So here delighted is a quality, and to meet our friends, so our is possessive. Now next is don't buy stale vegetables from that shop. So stale is again quality and that shop, so that is what? That is demonstrative. Why did you buy so much rice? So much मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? So much, this much. So this is what? Quantity. Exact number नहीं है, but this is what? Quantity. Those diamonds are expensive. So those diamonds are expensive. So इसका क्या होगा? Those and expensive both are what? Adjectives. Those refers to demonstrative and expensive is quality. Okay. Expensive जो होता है वो क्या है? Quality है. Whose purse is this? Then here whose जो है, whose again it is interrogative, and this whose purse of is this is again this के बाद noun नहीं है, so we will just use whose purse is this. whose को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Interrogative adjective. Now next is she needed a little help from my mother. So she needed a little help from her mother. Little help. So little is what? Little is adjective and my is also adjective. So little is quantity, and here little is quantity and my is possessive. My, your, their. Okay, understood? Then you have to be very careful because in one line there are 2 or 3 adjectives, so you have to just be careful. Then next is dark dark clouds hovered in the sky. So dark here is what? It is adjective, and it is quality, adjective of quality, because the clouds are dark. Now the next is the talkative kids irritated their grandpa. So talkative here is adjective of quality, because that is a specialty, the kid is talkative. And their grandpa, so there goes for possession, their, mine, so it is possession. Now next is what color is your shirt. So what is again interrogative, and your shirt, so your मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, your, mine, it is possessive. So here it is done like that. Now next comes यहाँ पर next क्या है, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks, so you can just see carefully. I'll just zoom the screen. So fill in the blanks with adjectives as indicated in the bracket. So brackets में यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, हमें उसी से ब्लैंक्स फिलअप करना है. पहले हमें बताया उन्होंने कि हमें एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी ही भरना है इसमें. सो वी हैव टू फिल लाइक दैट ओनली. हम क्या बढ़ाएंगे, द ओल्ड लेडी लिव्ड इन अ स्मॉल होम. यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग, बट इट शुड बी द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी ओनली, क्वालिटी वाला. यू कैन राइट द ब्यूटिफुल लेडी लिव्ड इन अ बिग होम, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. द ब्यूटिफुल लेडी लिव्ड इन अ स्मॉल होम, एंड द ओल्ड लेडी लिव्ड इन अ, सो वॉट एवर इज देयर, इट इज़ अ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी ओनली. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज डैश कॉपी इज़ अनकवर्ड. हुज कॉपी इज़ अनकवर्ड, अगर हमें इसे इंट्रोगेटिव बनाना है तो हमें हुज लिखना पड़ेगा. सो जो पूछा है हमें वैसे ही बनाना है. वी कांट डू एनीथिंग बाय योर ओन. आई गॉट डैश पोजिशन इन एसे कॉम्पिटिशन. सो वी हैव टू जस्ट गिव द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. So you can write anything. I got second position, first position, because all of them are numbers only. So it is as per your imagination, but you have to know that which adjective you have to write. Next is the dash grapes are sweet. So you can write these grapes are sweet, those grapes are sweet, whatever you want to write. Tenses का इतना नहीं है जितना कि, because it is suiting the sentence, but आपको ये देखना है कि आप demonstrative बोला है तो demonstrative ही लिखना है. Next है adjective of, हमें क्या लिखना है, adjective of quantity. Will you give me dash time, will you give me some time, because इसमें quantity हमें पता चलना चाहिए. ठीक है. Next is dash voice is shrill. So possessive, we have to just see what possessive objective. So dash voice is shrill, his voice is shrill लिख सकते हैं, या her voice is shrill, दोनों ही possessive में आएंगे, लेकिन his या her लगाना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है hexagon has dash sides. तो इसमें तो कोई सोचने की बात ही नहीं है, hexagon में 6 sides ही होते हैं, तो ये तो आपको 6 ही लिखना है, और ये हो जाएगा नंबर का, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वी लव dash parents. So we love our parents. So our is again what, possessive. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज दे वेंट टू द लाइब्रेरी इन डैश पीरियड. सो पीरियड ऑफ नंबर कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, 6th पीरियड, 2nd पीरियड, 3rd पीरियड, बिकॉज यहाँ पर नंबर बताना है हमें. सो वॉट एवर इज पॉसिबल. जैसे कई होते हैं जिसमें आपको लिखना वही है, जैसे हेक्सागन के 6 साइड्स ही हैं, बट उसके अलावा जैसे वी वेंट टू लाइब्रेरी, तो आपकी अपनी इमेजिनेशन, यू कैन गो टू द लाइब्रेरी इन 4th पीरियड ऑल्सो, 6th पीरियड ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो यू कैन राइट एनी नंबर provided you are writing a number, so that will be the correct answer. Now next is dash film have you seen recently. So which film have you seen recently, if you are asking, then it is a interrogative adjective. So I hope it is very clear from this. Now the next one is we can form adjectives by adding a suffix to a noun. हम जब किसी noun में suffix add कर देते हैं तो वो adjective बन जाता है. जैसे कि honor, honorable, उसमें ABLE honorable लगा दिया. ठीक है. इंडिया है, इंडिया में AN लगा दिया, Indian is again a name of a India, Indian, Africa, African. So it is like that. So what we are doing, we have to match it. We have to match the words and adjectives formed by using them. So here it is a very simple one. I'll explain you the few examples. You can do it yourself only. I'll be providing you notes for everything. So first is terror. For terror it is terrible. Next is beauty. For beauty it is beautiful. For France, French. Science, scientific. Then child, children. Then care, careful. Day, day will be what is written here, daily. And the next is comfort, comfortable. Faith, faithful. And after that fool, foolish. danger, dangerous, and hunger, hungry. सो दीज आर द वंस. आपको वैसे ही पता चल जाएगा बिकॉज द बेस वर्ड, इनिशियल जो वर्ड होता है वो सेम ही होता है, लास्ट में ही हम सफिक्स लगाते हैं. तो दिस इज़ वेरी ईजी, यू कैन डू योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. ओके, now here are some there is a exercise, circle the adjectives in the poem. so here is a small poem. इसमें हमें adjectives को circle करना है और फिर बाद में हमें उसी circle किए हुए adjective को उनकी kinds बतानी. ठीक है, कि वो कौन से kind के हैं. ठीक है, so when we read the poem goes like this. you can just see. पहले मैं पोएम बोल देती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद वी विल जस्ट सी वॉट इट इज़. देयर वॉज अ ओल्ड लेडी हु लिव्ड ऑल अलोन इन अ स्मॉल कॉटेज नॉट फार फ्रॉम माई होम, एंड वन ब्राइट नाइट बाय द फुल मून लाइट केम अ हंग्री माउस राइट इन टू हर किचन. It ate some cheese and nibbled one carrot. The mouse ran up the golden cage of green parrot. The old lady took took a shout. You are able to see this. The old lady took a stout rod to hit the naughty mouse. The mouse entered a long pipe and came out of the house. So there are rhyming words which had made the poem rhythmatic. So now what we are going to do, we have to circle. So in the first line, the old lady, old is adjective. The second line, small cottage, small is adjective, we have to circle them. Then we have to circle far. So far is also adjective, we have to circle it. The third line, one bright night. So one bright, we will be circling one bright we will circle full moonlight. So we will circle full also, it is a quality. Hungry, again we will circle it. Her kitchen, her we will circle in next line. In the 1 2 3 4 fifth line, in the fifth line we will circle some and one carrot. So some and one we will circle. Then the next line, the mouse ran up the golden cage. So golden we will circle, and of the green parrot. So green also we will circle. The old lady took a stout rod. So old again we will circle, and stout also is a quality, we will circle it. Naughty mouse, naughty we will circle. ठीक है. The next line, the mouse, last line, the mouse entered a long pipe. We will circle long and came out of the house. So what we will do? Now we will write in the there are columns. So in these columns we will write that in the adjective column we will write old, small, my, one, naughty. Children, you can do this yourself, and I will be providing you hints also, and I will be providing you answers also, but I want you to do it yourself, because here the answers, like if it is an old lady, so it is an adjective of quality. So it is very much understandable that by now you have understood what you have to write. So the notes will be provided subsequently, and you can write it from watching those notes also. Okay, so I hope this chapter is clear here, and with this chapter ends. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me in the next class also. Thank you and have a nice day.